This evening I am at Disneyland with my brother. We are going to this Halloween event that happens in the park after the main opening hours. You can dress up for this event, you can wear a full-on costume. I didn't really have a costume to wear. What I do have is my little t-shirt that I got when I was in Shanghai Disneyland earlier this year. And because I didn't want to be a total Halloween Grinch and like not wear anything Disney, not dress up at all, I thought I'd just wear this t-shirt. It's got all the Duffy and Friends characters on it, which are very popular in the Asia parks. They're not really that well known here, but I think wearing this shirt is going to be a bit more of like a if you know, you know kind of situation. I've also got my little Gelatoni plush that lives on my backpack full time. So he's here tonight as well. He's very special to me because he's got his Chinese New Year hanfu on, his little tiger hat outfit. So he's really completing my look for tonight. We're allowed to enter 2 hours before the park closes, like the regular hours. And that works out really well because there's this Coco show that I've been dying to see. They only perform the show during the regular park hours, and the last show for the day is in 15 minutes at 4:30. So we're gonna chop on over because I wanna see this Coco show. We were sort of off to the side / the back, but it didn't matter. It was really cute. And I think it's more important that the little kids can come to the front and see anyway. I'm really glad that we went to go see that because that's such a good movie. All the music is so good. Time for a Starbucks treat while we wait for the Halloween event to start. I got an iced pumpkin chai latte on almond milk. I thought it was very on brand for the evening. First of all, I accidentally cinnamon challenged myself with all that stuff that was on the top. But then I realized I'd made a big mistake because I hadn't read the drink name properly and I didn't realize that it had cream in it. In fact, half the cup was cream, and for a lactose intolerant girly, yeah, that was not going to work out well for me. I couldn't in good conscience just throw this drink out because it was $8 American. But then I remembered in my backpack, in this little medicine kit that I'd made for myself, I had these lactase pills that you're supposed to take before eating or drinking dairy, and it's supposed to save you. This was the perfect eve to try out the lactose pills. The fun thing about this event is they have these treat trails set up with these special villainous characters that only come out for the Halloween event, and you sort of snake through the line, get to clap eyes on them as you collect your lollies, and they speak to the crowd. Raise your hand if you're really scared right now.
No, you two keep an eye out for me. The battles for me.
And I did my first trick or treat.
H-A-D-E-S. That spells... No, not Heidi! It's an A, not an I!
I like that they have the ASL lady.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And when he's not talking, she's like, just standing there.
Oh!
An alligator out of the water. I don't know, I've never seen them in the land of the dead.
I feel like the danger period for the cream coffee thing has passed. Like, I feel okay. I think the lactase worked. I don't want to jinx it. Certainly not. But it might be in the clear. they didn't smell like strawberries and I was extremely awkward. Yeah, the photos are awkward because I just felt really weird. I was like, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to pose. Oh, actually, that's kind of cute. I rescind. One of the photos is actually quite cute. Our final stop of the evening was Villains Grove. This was an immersive lighting and music experience. They had different sections along the pathway where you could guess what villain that they were representing through the music and the lighting. This one, I thought it was Beauty and the Beast, like the Beast, but it was actually Quasimodo. I highly enjoyed these hyenas marching by. And I know that this experience was supposed to be spooky, and it was spooky, but I also found it quite beautiful and calming. If you did enjoy today's video, please remember to give it a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See ya!